Welcome to another Lighthouse Sea Fishing tutorial. In this installment we look at how cloud cover, barometric air pressure and rain play their part in shore fishing. So let's first take a look at cloud cover and the role that sunlight plays. When it comes to cloud cover, overcast skies are generally considered best for fishing. For the cloud cover to work, you need solidly covered skies, anything from around 95% or more. This has two effects. The first being is that cloud cover helps to trap heat and keep air temperature more humid. The second factor is that it prevents sunlight from penetrating the water, allowing fish to feed inshore more confidently. Let's now take a look at why barometric air pressure is so important when fishing. Barometric air pressure affects sea conditions by pushing down on the surface of the water. Fish have adapted to sense this by using their lateral line. One of the reasons why they have adapted to sense these changes is due to the fact that changes in pressure affects the ability of their swim bladder to function effectively. This typically only applies to fish like bony fish, as other fish types such as cartilaginous fish including rays and sharks lack swim bladders, so aren't directly affected. Sudden rapid drops in air pressure are considered the best pressure conditions for sea fishing. These kinds of pressure drops often occur before a storm or rainy weather is due. High pressure, conversely, is often associated with clear, calm conditions, but high pressure itself is not considered good for fishing. Any pressure reading above 30.50 inches of mercury is considered bad news. The actual typical ideal pressure range for fishing is between 29.80 to 30.20 inches of mercury. Many weather maps, such as the map in this picture, show pressure in units of millibars, so conversion to, or from, inches of mercury may be required at times depending on what unit of measurement you wish to use. Luckily, there are many fishing apps around to make this process of checking air pressure very easy, but understanding air pressure gives you the option of checking weather reports. Finally, what about rain? How does it affect sea fishing? Rain is known to affect freshwater temperatures, causing drops that can deter fish from feeding. Though this happens in shallower, smaller bodies of water, this is not as relevant when it comes to larger, deeper bodies of water, such as with sea fishing. One way that heavy or sustained rain over a period of days can affect sea fishing is when large amounts of fresh water flow into local coastal waters, such as around estuaries. This drops the salinity, causing more brackish conditions, which can deter many types of fish species. Another aspect of heavy rain is that any coastal areas or estuaries close to farmland can experience chemical leaching in the form of fertilizers, herbicides and pesticides. These can cause fluctuations in pH, as well as other unwanted effects. Hi guys, just a quick reminder, if you like my videos and find that you are learning some useful tips, please do remember to click the subscribe button just under this video. Subscribing is completely free. There's no sign-up process as it's all done at the click of a button. Also do remember to hit the like button if you find a specific video interesting and helpful. Doing these things really does help support the channel and allows me to keep making more and more helpful videos that will hopefully make your sessions that much more enjoyable. Thanks so much guys. If you would like to know more about weather conditions and how factors such as wave action and water color can be affected, check out the links showing now. You can also find many videos on our channel page relating to tackle and beach equipment, as well as videos on how to catch many specific species. Simply click the channel name under this video. We regularly post new videos, so be sure to click the bell icon to stay notified. Thanks again for watching another installment of Lighthouse Sea Fishing Tutorials. Until next time, tight lines.